Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shreya. So today I'm going to share with you a quick look of this beautiful handmade gift which is known as photo card, and it comes along with this tiny paper box, and I made this for birthday purpose, and here is the look. So without any more conversation, let's proceed to the video. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Ta-ta.